Ice cream is more than a sweet treat. It's a marvel of modern food science. Inside a factory, making ice cream is a precise and carefully controlled process. Every scoop you enjoy is the result of strict standards, advanced machines, and careful planning. The world craves ice cream in all flavors, so factories must make it safely and in large amounts. Purity and precision matter when making ice cream. Consumers expect the same taste every time, and safety is always the top priority. Factories use technology to keep bacteria away and measure every ingredient. Even a small mistake can ruin a huge batch, so the stakes are high. Why does this matter? Because milk and cream are delicate. They can spoil easily and carry harmful bacteria. To make ice cream that is safe, creamy, and delicious, factories combine old recipes with high-tech tools. They monitor temperature, cleanliness, and timing down to the second. This essay will take you through each step of factory-made ice cream, from the arrival of milk to the final frozen treat. You'll see how science and care come together to create a dessert loved around the world. The journey begins as fresh milk and cream arrive at the factory. Tanker trucks carry these key ingredients in chilled, sanitized containers. Workers test every batch for purity before it enters the plant. Only the highest quality milk and cream make it through. The temperature is kept cold, usually around 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit, to slow bacteria and keep the milk fresh. Other ingredients also arrive: sugar, egg yolks for some recipes, flavors like vanilla, cocoa, and fruit, and stabilizers to help the mixture stay smooth. Everything is checked and logged. Each item is stored in special rooms with strict temperature and humidity controls. Factories use automation to keep things clean and efficient. Pipes, pumps, and storage tanks move ingredients without exposing them to air, dust, or germs. This is critical for food safety. Workers wear hairnets, gloves, and even special shoes to prevent contamination. Every step in handling ingredients is tracked. Computers record when, where, and how each item is stored or moved. This traceability helps catch problems early and ensures only the best ingredients go into your ice cream. Once ingredients are cleared, it's time to start production. Computers control the flow of milk, cream, sugar, and other ingredients into huge stainless steel mixing vats. These vats can hold thousands of liters at once. Each ingredient is measured precisely, down to the gram, to create the perfect base mixture. The first step is blending. Industrial mixers run for several minutes to dissolve sugar and distribute fats evenly. This forms the ice cream mix. The mixture must be smooth and uniform with no lumps or dry spots. This mixing is done at low temperatures to keep everything safe. Next comes pasteurization. Just like milk from the store, the ice cream mix is heated to kill bacteria. Factories heat the mix to about 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. This step is fast and monitored by sensors. After pasteurization, the mix is quickly cooled back down. Stabilizers or emulsifiers are added next. These ingredients help the ice cream stay creamy and stop ice crystals from forming. The mix is now ready for the next stage, flavoring and freezing. Quality control is the heart of factory ice cream making. Every batch is sampled and tested before moving forward. Workers and machines check the mix for fat content, sugar levels, and even bacteria counts. Special filters catch any stray particles. Cleaning and sanitation protocols are strict. Each vat, pipe, and tool is washed and sanitized before and after every use. Automated cleaning systems use high-pressure water and food-safe detergents. Sensors ensure that no detergent residue is left behind. Workers inspect every ingredient and finished mix under bright lights. Some factories even use robots and cameras to spot problems that a human eye might miss. If something is off, maybe a batch is too sweet, or a speck of dirt is found, the entire batch can be stopped and checked. All records are kept in digital logs. If there is ever a recall or question about quality, the factory can trace every step from cow to cone. This commitment to safety is what makes factory ice cream reliable and trusted worldwide. Now for the most exciting part: creating flavor and texture. The base mix is pumped into flavoring vats, where ingredients like vanilla extract, fruit purees, or chocolate are added. Blending must be precise so that every scoop tastes the same. Next, the mix is sent to a continuous freezer. Here, it's rapidly chilled to about -5 degrees Celsius, or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. High-speed beaters whip the mixture as it freezes, folding in air. This step, called overrun, is crucial to making ice cream light and creamy. Too much air, and the product is fluffy. Too little, and it's hard as a rock. Solid add-ins, like cookie chunks, nuts, or candy, are added just before packaging. A stream of mix-ins flows into the ice cream, which is then stirred gently to keep the pieces whole. Some lines even create beautiful swirls by pumping in sauces as the ice cream flows. The result is a smooth, dense, and tasty ice cream ready for packaging. Temperature and timing are controlled so that neither the flavor nor the texture is lost. Packaging ice cream is really a race against time. The fresh, semi-frozen ice cream is pumped into cartons, tubs, or novelty molds on fast-moving lines. Automatic machines fill each container to the exact level, making sure every portion is just right. The containers then move along to sealing stations, where lids are pressed on with precision, and sometimes tamper-evident bands are added for extra safety. Some lines even shape and stamp the ice cream for special treats, like bars or sandwiches. Every container gets labeled with the flavor, ingredients, and a date code. Automation keeps everything perfectly synchronized. Robots stack the finished cartons into boxes for shipping, while metal detectors and scanners check for any foreign objects. At every step, the focus is always on speed, accuracy, and hygiene. Once everything is packed, the ice cream heads straight to blast freezers. This stage locks in the texture and stops those pesky ice crystals from forming. After packaging, ice cream has to be kept colder than ever, often at -25°C or -13°F or even lower. Blast freezers use powerful fans and super chilled air to freeze the product solid in just a few hours. This helps prevent large ice crystals from forming and keeps the ice cream nice and smooth. In the storage warehouse, cartons are stacked by robots onto pallets. These pallets are wrapped for protection and quickly moved into deep freezers. The temperature is monitored around the clock by digital sensors and alarms. Any rise in temperature is fixed right away to keep the ice cream safe. When it's time to ship, trucks with insulated trailers back up to the loading bays, and workers transfer the cold cargo in just minutes to avoid any warming. The trucks themselves are like giant moving freezers, keeping the ice cream frozen on the road. Every detail, right down to the last second of freezing, is managed by computers and expert workers. This all makes sure the ice cream stays perfect from the factory to the store. Ice cream travels far and wide, crossing borders and climates. Before leaving the factory, each product goes through a final quality check. Batches are sampled for taste, texture, and even how quickly they melt. Only the best make it to world markets. Factories team up with shipping companies that specialize in what's called cold chain logistics. This basically means the ice cream is never allowed to warm up, not even for a moment. Temperature loggers travel with every shipment, recording data from the factory, to the truck, to the store. Import and export laws require scientific validation. Each shipment is checked for safety, labeling accuracy, and compliance with local food rules. Sometimes, extra tests are done at the destination to guarantee everything is safe. Thanks to careful planning and modern technology, your favorite ice cream can travel thousands of miles and still taste as fresh as the day it was made. Making ice cream in a factory is both an art and a science. Every step, from handling milk to shipping finished cartons, takes precision, discipline, and advanced technology. Mistakes just aren't allowed, because perfection is expected in every single bite. Temperature control and hygiene are really the backbone of safe ice cream production. Without them, the dessert could be unsafe or lose its creamy texture. Automation helps factories scale up, but you always need human skill and attention to detail. Global logistics and strict quality controls make sure that ice cream stays delicious and safe, no matter where it's enjoyed. The next time you open a tub, remember the journey it took, from fresh milk all the way to your spoon. That's the magic of factory-made ice cream: purity, precision, and a taste that the whole world can trust.